Hello everyone, today we are going to be solving Geography Paper 1, June 2020, Ordinary Level of the Cameroon GCE. We have 1.5 hours to do this, so let's get started. Our first question. The first question says, an expression of the relationship between measurements on the map and those actually done on the ground is called A. Scale, B. Distance, C. Area, D. Key. You know the answer is scale, okay? Scale. What is a scale? By definition, a scale of a map refers to the relationship between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. It's a ratio that tells how much you have to shrink or enlarge to fit it to a real world map. Okay, so the answer to question number 1 is a scale. Question number 2. Question number 2. If the distance between Bamenda and Boya on the map is 500 centimeters, what would be the actual distance if the map has a scale 1 to 50,000? Okay, so this means we have 1 centimeter on the map is 50,000 centimeters in real world. Okay, that's 50,000 centimeters in real world. So what's the question? They're asking us that 500 centimeter on the map. Okay, so 500 centimeter on the map will be what in real world? That's what we have to calculate. And take note, this is 5. What will it be in real world? We'll map to x, we don't know. So cross multiply. We're cross multiplying and we're getting 5 times 5 is 25. 2 zeros. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more zeros. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because in total we're supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what happens is we are converting this to meters. Okay, so the answer is 200 and the answer is 25 million. So 20 meters to centimeters. Subtract from centimeters to meters is the difference if we are dividing by 100, and then from meters to kilometers we are dividing by 1,000. So the answer is 250 kilometers. Our answer is D. Question number 3. Number 3 is asking us that, telling us that the settlement pattern shown on the figure labeled A, B, C, D are respectively, this is A, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, so A, B, C, D. What is the settlement pattern of A? Then asking us for the settlement pattern of A, and the settlement pattern of A is linear. Okay, this A is linear because the buildings are arranged in a line. Okay, look at, you're seeing the buildings are arranged in a line, so it's probably linear. And then a dispersed pattern is like this, is B. B is dispersed, so as you already seen, our answers could be A or D, because A is linear as buildings are arranged in a line, and then B, the buildings are far away from each other, so that's dispersed. And then C, nucleated, the buildings are too tight, too grouped together. And D, planned, you're seeing a laid out road, you're seeing the way the road has been planned and the buildings are aligned by the road. So it's linear, dispersed, nucleated, planned. The answer to number 3 is D. Next question. Question number 4. An evidence on the map that indicates a tourist function is A, church, B, post office, D, golf course, D, build up area. The answer to number 4 is golf course, because the golf course are places where many tourists may be able to visit, okay, or go for sightseeing. So the answer to number 4 is golf course. That is C. Question number 5. Features on an ordnance map extracts are located using, we have benchmarks, we have cardinal points, we have conventional signs, we have grid references. So what happens is that reference using grid references, okay, because grid references are the system of unique coordinates used to locate features on a map. Okay, ordnance survey map. Okay, ordnance survey map. Don't forget, talk about ordnance survey maps. Use grid reference system that divides the map into squares. Okay, and each square is identified by a letter or a number. So the answer is grid references. Question number 6. Some places on the earth have 4 seasons while others have just 2. This is due to the movement of A. the sun around the earth, B. the winds on the earth, C. the earth around the sun, D. water in the ocean. The answer is the earth around the sun, okay, because the sun does not move. Okay, the earth tilts on its x-axis and travels around the sun, which causes seasons to change. So the earth moves around the sun. The answer is C. Okay, because the earth moves around the sun and it causes seasons to change. The sun does not move. That's why this answer is the wrong one. Let's go to number 7. Which of the latitudes below will experience the shortest length of day during summer solstice on June 21st? You have A. 66.5 degree north, B. 90 degree north, C. 66.5 degrees south, D. 90 degrees south. The latitudes that will experience the longitudes that will experience summer solstice in June 2021 is the 66 degrees south. It is C. The answer is C. 66.5 degrees south, because during the summer solstice, the northern hemisphere, that's on the 21st of June, the north pole is tilted towards the sun and the south pole is tilted away from the sun. This means that the places in the southern hemisphere will experience shorter days and longer nights. The far south you go, the shorter the day will be. So the answer is 66.5 degrees south. So for question number 7, our answer is C. Question number 8. The earth is divided into 2 equal halves by A. latitudes, B. time zones, C. longitudes, D. great circles. Well, the earth is divided into 2 equal halves by the longitude. Okay, longitude, because lines of longitude run vertically from pole to pole, dividing the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Okay, each degree of longitude is equal to the distance around the earth. Okay, each degree of longitude is equal to the distance around the earth. So this is what happens, because the answer cannot be latitude. Okay, because the latitude at the equator is different from the latitude at another hemisphere, because it will not be equal. The only latitude that divides the earth into 2 equal halves are the latitude of the equator, where it is 0. Okay, latitudes run horizontally around the earth. They are used to measure how far north and south location is from the equator. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. The answer is longitudes, because no matter, this is the earth, every longitude separates the earth into 2 equal halves. Every longitude will separate the earth into 2 equal halves. Okay, but if we are taking the latitude, it means that as this is the earth, this is the latitude of the equator. This is the only latitude that divides the earth into 2 equal halves, because the latitude here, you are seeing this part is much more smaller than this part. So not all latitudes divide the earth into 2 equal halves. So the answer to number 8 is C, longitudes, because all the lines running from north to south will divide the earth into 2 equal halves. And then let's do number 9. An area of land drained by the main river and its tributaries is the, we have watershed, we have hydrological cycle, we have the drainage basin or the water cycle. The answer is drainage basin. The answer is C. The answer to number 9 is C, and it's because the drainage basin is the correct answer, okay, because it's the area of land that drains into a specific body of water such as river, lake, ocean. It's essentially a collection point for water that falls within that area. So the answer is drainage basin. Next question, question number 10. The process by which water soaks from the surface into the soil is, we have infiltration, we have percolation, we have basic flow, we have through flow. The process by which water soaks from the surface into the soil is infiltration, okay, because infiltration is the movement of water from the earth's surface into the soil and rock layers. So the answer to question number 10 is infiltration. Question number 11 is asking us, part of the rain gauge is sunk into the ground so as to prevent, while we sinking the rain gauge into the ground is to prevent rain from splashing from the ground into the funnel. Okay, so the answer is A. Part of the rain gauge is sunk into the ground to prevent rain from splashing from the ground into the funnel. The reasoning is that when rain falls on the ground, it can splash up and enter the funnel of the rain gauge, and it will give inaccurate measurement of the amount of rainfall as it would have include if the water never fell, as it have included water fell directly from the sky. Okay, so by sinking the rain gauge into the ground, the rim of the funnel is level with the ground, and it prevents rain from splashing from the rain from the ground to splash back into the funnel. And then question number 12. An example of planetary wind is, we have mountain winds, we have meteoric winds, we have monsoon winds, and then see we have the trade winds. That's an example of planetary winds, because the trade winds, okay, the trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belts at about 30 degrees north and south latitude towards the equator, because the coriolis effect, okay, so they curve widely as they move towards the equator. Alright, so the answer is trade winds, and the trade winds are known for their steady and reliable winds, which played a major role in snail exploitation and trade routes for centuries. So the answer to number 12 is D, trade winds. And then question number 13. For those of you who are telling your friends about Classgate, Classgate has made special financial support available for you. And in order to get there, you have to register for the referral program. And in order to register for the referral program, just click your profile icon right here, this green icon. You click on it, tap on your username, click on your username so that you can edit your profile settings. This is how the profile dashboard will appear. It appears like this. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to edit profile right here. And when you edit profile, you see some of your user information is available here. But what I want you to notice is this referral code TAPE. What you do is you write something that is unique only to you. Okay, you write your referral code here, and this is what you'll be sharing to your friends so that Classgate know that you have shared and you have introduced people to the platform, and they'll give you a special commission based on what they buy or what they sell. Okay, so from here, after you have written your referral code, just update changes, save changes, and that is all you have to do. And when you share the link to Classgate, when you share classgate.com, this is what you'll be sharing. You'll be sharing this referral link. This is the link that you're supposed to be sharing to your friends. So I've already copied it. I've copied this link. Okay, copy this link and make sure you copy it. This is how the link looks like. You're seeing the link. Classgate.com referrals TAPE. Don't forget, because TAPE was a referral code. And when your friend comes to Classgate with this link, okay, and they buy something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have bought. If they sell something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have sold. And you know that those of us at Leonard Academy, all of our courses are 100 francs. So those of you who are sharing our courses to your friends, you're getting 25 francs for for each new friend that you sign in. Okay, that's on that first portion. When they buy a course for the first time, you get 25 francs. Okay, and even the teachers, when they sell a course for the first time, if you introduce a teacher with your referral code and they sell a course for the first time, you get 25% of what they have. So don't forget, only for the first purchase. Okay, and then those of us at Apelonage, it's good. You introduce 100 friends, you get 2,500 francs. Okay, it's that easy. Introduce your friends to Classgate, introduce your teachers to Classgate, and gain from it so that you can gain from it. It's not only learning, but let's help some students to at least buy some break food. Okay, that's what we want. A climatic region that has two rainy seasons and two dry seasons is a monsoon climate. The answer is C. And why is the answer C? It is a monsoon climate because places with monsoonal climates typically have hot summers and mild winters. Okay, so monsoons are winds that reverse direction seasonally. Okay, so in the summer they bring moist air and heavy rainfall from the ocean. In the winter they carry dry air away from the land. So monsoon climates are found like in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia. Okay, so characteristics of monsoon climates are they have wet fine seasons, wet and dry. The wet season is caused by the moisture laden and the ocean. Okay, so that's mostly places that are in Asia. So the two rainy seasons are two rainy seasons and two dry seasons have monsoon climate. Okay, question number 14. Global warming is considered as an environmental problem because it causes A, burning of fossil fuels, B, clearing of the forest, C, occurrence of floods, D, rapid urbanization. Global warming, why is it considered as a threat? Considered as a problem because of the burning of fossil fuels. Because burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And these gases trap heat from the sun, causing the planet to warm. So the correct answer to number 14 is A. So for number 14, our answer is A. Let's go to number 15. Many people die in floodplains each year, but man still settles there. This is because we have A, much water, B, limited land, C, fertile source. Yes, this is why man settles, because they have fertile source, and then D, flat land. Okay, because when man still settles there because of fertile source. Okay, so floodplains are areas that periodically flood with water. Okay, it can be a dangerous place to live, but they attract people because of the fertile soils. And then let's go to question number 16. Global warming can be caused by, we have deforestation, we have afforestation, reforestation, and agroforestry. Global warming, okay, it can be caused by deforestation. Okay, and deforestation is obviously the answer. Okay, deforestation removes trees that absorb carbon dioxide, because it removes trees that absorb carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas from the atmosphere. Okay, and this carbon dioxide in their biomass, they can also release oxygen through photosynthesis. So when trees are cut down, the stored carbon dioxide is released back to the atmosphere. Okay, so this will cause places to be heated up. So the answer to question number 16 is A, deforestation. Question number 17. Limestone areas are beautiful landscapes, but they have the main problem of infertile soils, many rocks, scarcity of water, many depressions. Well, the main problem is scarcity of water. Okay, scarcity of water, because limestone is a soluble rock, which means that it can be dissolved by water. Okay, so this makes it difficult to find water in limestone areas, as the water can easily drain away through cracks and fissures. Classgate.com is an online learning platform for both teachers and students. If you want to teach on Classgate. Okay, I'm encouraging all teachers, and please tell your teachers that you can support them. Okay, they should record a video of the solutions and you can support them on Classgate. Okay, so that the course is there anytime you want and it's available there for you anytime you want. You can always access the solutions and access the course. Even if you're forgotten something, you can always access the course that your teacher has uploaded online. Okay, and you can support them on Classgate. Good. So when you come to Classgate, the first thing you want to do is you log in. I've told you before, log in with your Google account. For those of you who have Google accounts, super for you. You log in with your Google account. Just log in with your Google account. It's very easy. Log in with your Google account so that you can start enjoying free courses or cheap courses on Classgate. It's very easy. A lot of people are doing this. So let's get started. After logging in, search for the course you want to study, and today we're studying mathematics. Okay, everybody's studying maths, so we're doing maths today. We're searching for maths. And now you have all the mathematics courses available. Okay, and it's just 100 francs. Look, we already have one student here, and this course was uploaded today. Okay, and this is paper 1 math statistics 2023 solutions, and this is paper 3 2023 advanced level solution, and this is 2022 paper 3 advanced level solutions. As 100 francs each. Another free courses, we have O level mathematics 2023 GCE solutions paper 1. Okay, so if you want to enjoy the free course, just enroll now. But I've told you, enroll now, okay, and you'll be taken to the classroom and you start enjoying your free course. But I've told you that if the course is paid, the button will be add to cart. You'll see the add to cart button, and let's buy pure maths with statistics paper 1 2023. So I've added this to cart. See, I'm add to cart button. And what you after adding to cart, you want to click this. You can always click that blue icon that just popped out right there. You can click it to go and pay, or you can also click the card icon. This is the card icon. Click on it. We have clicked the card icon and we are waiting. And yes, see, this is what is in our cart. We have Cameroon GCE 2023 pure maths with statistics paper 1 advanced level solutions MCQs, and it's 100 francs. So the total we're paying is 100 francs, no charges. Just proceed to check out. Click the proceed to check out button like I have done. Proceed to check out. And on the checkout page, you just have to write your mobile money number. Okay, it takes Orange and MTN as for Cameroonians. So you write in your mobile money number. And complete payment. And if you have written the correct Cameroonian number, you see this button turns red. Okay, the gray button is now red, meaning you can pay now. So click on the complete payment button, and we're waiting. We've been given 2 minutes to pay for this course. So let's just wait for the prompt on our phone. So the prompt has already appeared on my phone, and I've dialed my mobile money pin. Okay, I've already approved transaction, so we're just waiting for me to have access to the course. It won't take much time. There, I already have access to the course. See, now payment successful, billing success. If you want the receipt, you can always click here to see the receipt of the course that we have just bought. Okay, and this is the receipt of the course that we have bought. Very good receipt. And let's go here. Successful transfer, payment was successful. And after payment is successful, you want to enter the course. Just see from your profile icon. Okay, from the profile icon, go to enroll courses. And it has appeared on our course list. Okay, enrolled courses. This is what we bought. We bought pure maths with statistics paper 1. We can start the course and start enjoying our MCQ solutions to maths GCE paper 1 2023. It will take a while for the course to load, but just click the play icon right here. Our course is loaded. Okay, if you want to use less megabytes, you can always select the quality you prefer, select it here. If you want to speed up the course, let's speed it up by 2 times. Okay, I speed the course up by 2 times, and this is how the course is. Okay, don't forget you can also ask questions. Very important, ask questions, and I want all of you to ask questions. The course instructor will be right there to respond to your queries. Okay, don't forget classgate.com, educating comfort.